Number 7. As an experienced product marketing expert with over 10 years of writing experience, I am impressed with the NutriBullet NB9-1301W Pro 13 PC's White 900W. This compact and efficient blender has proven to be a game changer in the world of kitchen appliances. The NutriBullet NB9-1301W Pro boasts a powerful 900W motor, making it incredibly effective at blending a variety of ingredients. Its compact design and 13-piece set make it a versatile and convenient addition to any kitchen. This blender's BPA-free materials and plastic stainless steel blades ensure that your ingredients are blended to perfection without any harmful chemicals leaching into your food. The recommended use for blending makes it an ideal choice for smoothies, soups, and sauces. The NutriBullet NB9-1301W Pro's attractive green color and sleek style add a touch of modernity to any kitchen, while its 1.1-pound capacity makes it suitable for both small and large blending tasks. With an impressive 4.7 out of 5.